Hi all, welcome back. In today's video I am sharing how you can make idli dosa batter in wet grinder. So this is easy and fuss-free method to make idli dosa batter at home. In one bowl I am going to add urad dal 1 cup. In the same bowl itself, you don't need another bowl for rice. In the same bowl I am going to add 2 cups of rice. If you want you can add dosa rice, if you want you can add normal rice. Into this I am adding 1/4 cup of red rice or Kerala matta rice, 1 tablespoon of chana dal and 1 teaspoon of methi seed or fenugreek seeds. Now wash everything very nicely. It is important that you wash everything nicely until the water runs clear. Earlier I used to wash the rice separately and the dal separately, but this is a very less jhanjat method, washing everything in one bowl only. And now let it soak nicely for at least 6 hours. After 6 hours you can see it has nicely soaked. I am going to switch on the wet grinder and start adding the mixture of rice and dal. Add little by little, and after 5 minutes mix and wipe off everything from the sides. Into this mixture you can add water as required. For me it just took 150 ml of water, and after 7 to 10 minutes of nicely grinding, the batter has a perfect texture. The texture should not be completely smooth. It should have a little bit of coarse particles as well. Now I am going to transfer it into a bigger vessel. I am adding little bit of salt and I am using my hand to start off the fermentation process. I am going to mix everything nicely with my hand, transfer the heat of my hand into the batter, nicely mix everything and let it ferment for overnight or at least 8 hours. After proper fermentation you can see the batter has so nicely risen up. Give it a good mix and your idli dosa batter is ready. No need to add baking powder, baking soda, anything. We love to have dosa along with aloo palya, chutney and badam ka harira. Today I am making dosa at home with the same batter. The same batter you can use to make idlis. The idlis will be very soft and fluffy. And in the same batter you can add ragi powder to make ragi dosa, jawar powder to make jawar dosa, and you can use this batter multi-purpose way. This recipe was shared to me by my sister, and I am very glad I tried this method. It is super time saving, very easy method to make idli dosa batter at home. Don't forget to add fenugreek seeds, and you can see the dosa turns out so super crispy. In future, if possible, I will share the recipes for idlis as well. I'll share how soft the idlis turn out in the same batter. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you liked the video, please give this video a thumbs up and also comment your feedbacks. I'd also request you, if you like the content on my channel, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you guys. Bye.